Now, from your process pending contribution queue, you can also create an address, individual, and given unit record with a click of a button. To showcase this, we're going to go to Program, Contributions, Process Pending Contributions. We can click to select a contribution in the queue. And then we can search to see if there's an existing given unit in the system. If there is not an existing given unit record, we can simply double-click this Create from Pending Contributions button here. We can see that a given unit record has been created. We can mark this contribution for processing and then click Save. If you want to review those records that were just created, we can go to Program, Membership, Address Records, set up a find to search for that address record, click to highlight it, and we'll notice that any records created through that process pending contribution queue will have its source listed as pending contribution. We can click individual from the left sidebar to see the affiliated individual record, and then given unit from the left sidebar if we want to see the affiliated given unit record. Again, with just one click of the button, all three of these records were created. Now we also have the more manual approach as well in the process pending queue. To showcase this, we're going to go to Program, Contributions, Process Pending Contributions. Select the contribution here and do a search to see if we can find an existing given unit record. If none is found, we can double-click on New Given Unit. We'll first see this Add Given Unit pop up here. And anytime we're adding a new given unit, we're going to be asked, what address record do you want to tie to this new given unit? We can set up a find to see if there's an existing address record we want to use. But in this case, we're going to create a new address. So we're going to click Add from the right sidebar. Here again, we can see that all of the details from the pending give information have auto-populated to these fields. We can review these fields and make any changes we'd like, such as add this person to a care group, and then click Save. This window and all the rest will go ahead and condense until we're left with this Add Given Unit button. Here again, we can see the address record that's going to be tied to the given unit. We're going to see the attached individual. And then if we want to make any changes to this given unit record, we can, such as check that email statement box and then click OK. We can see that given unit record that's now tied to this contribution, and we can mark it for processing and save our changes.